4-pack of single gang 1.0 speaker wire plates. So there's 4 of these, obviously, because it's a 4-pack. But yeah, if you're setting up a speaker system or something like that, these are super convenient to make sure it looks nice and clean. So it comes with the screws and this plate there. That'll go right into your junction box with the wires coming out. If you do it properly, you want to have a nice little junction box there. And then simply this fits over the front like that and screws down. So it's going to look nice and flush and professional. So yeah, it's marked with the red and black wires. If you're hooking up your speakers, get some good sound going. Pretty handy. Nice connections here, look like easy to connect, easy to unscrew. Put the wire in there and screw that on there. And there you go, super easy. It's got little grips on there too, so you can screw it on there nicely. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this unboxing video. Hope it is helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.